Summertime, summertime. I am such a bad singer. I apologize. Every single time I sing, Sam makes me say I'm sorry for obvious reasons there. So I am officially sorry. But that does not take away from the fact that this is summer. As it approaches the warmer season, summer vacations, trips, and all that, inevitably I get flooded with questions. Dan, how do I pack for summer vacation with my beard stuff? What do you take? Do you have any tips or tricks? So I thought I'd make a video dedicated to that, giving you guys some tips and tricks, but also giving you my pick for the best travel bag that I've ever used. I just recently covered a video of the Bad Donkey Beard Cares beard butter, and they put in some other stuff in the package, and I thought I'd make a video, and this was perfect to be able to cover this one. So I'll give you guys all that information just after this introduction. When it comes to traveling with your beard products for a vacation or camping or wherever you may be going, here are some tips and tricks. First and foremost, less is usually more. A lot of you have a beautiful collection. A lot of you have tons of options of what you can go with the scents and different types of products. I would say try to limit it, but still enjoy yourself. I usually, if I'm on like a 5-day trip, we have a camping trip planned for later in the summer in Mackinac Island, Michigan, which is beautiful if you guys have never been there. So for 5 days, I'm probably gonna take like 2 oils, a wash, a conditioner, and a butter. That's gonna be my kind of main things that I'm gonna bring. You don't need every scent under the sun. You don't need a different oil for every day, but just find out what works for you. Now, another thing is if you have something that melts, like a beard butter, you wanna make sure it's secured all the way, but then I would advise putting it in a baggie. When you get to your place, if you have a cooler, if you have a fridge, throw it in there so it gets all solidified and good to go. For your products like oil, you wanna make sure your tops are secured. Can't tell you how many guys forgot to put the top on tight, it spills. Same with like a wash, you wanna make sure it's in a baggie there. And that's pretty common. I mean, you want to make sure the baggie that you're using is protected. A lot of the products that we have, especially the oils, are glass bottles. Glass can break, especially when you're trying to pack in that minivan so you can get everybody's stuff in there. So that kind of comes in where this bag is. So again, this is from the Bad Donkey Beard Care Company. And this thing is awesome. It really surprised me. I thought it was really cool when I first felt it and looked into it. And I talked to the company. They gave me some details on it, and it's pretty cool here. Now, I don't get any affiliate, I don't get any commission for sales, so this is just telling you guys an awesome option here. So this bag has the little clip on it, you know, for storing things. It also has on here the Molly webbing, so you can hook on some carabiners and whatever you want to do to go crazy on there. But what's really nice about this is it's a very padded bag. It's very thick, it's going to really protect the products on the inside, and on the outside it is a waxed canvas. So it is pretty much waterproof and is going to save you if you have spills. It's going to save you from really ruining this pack. Now the outside has some stitching on there, and it's with the leather. That's a pretty nice little touch there, obviously the leather patch. And the thing that strikes me the most when you open this up, this boy is huge on the inside. This is their 8-ounce wash, the traditional size for most 8-ounce washes and conditioners. You can fit 2 or 3 of these in here comfortably to show you how nice that is. Now let me go in and break down some of the really cool pockets on this. Now the top over here, you guys will be able to see. I'm gonna try my best to show off to you guys. The top over here is mesh. It's that nice and thin one at the very top. That is for your toothbrush. It allows it to dry. It's not gonna get all soaked into the padding, into the felt in here. It's really, really nice. Now on the other side, this is really cool. It's got these little magnets and these little slits right here. This is for your scissors. Once you put the scissors in, they lock right in place with that magnet, and you don't have to worry about them poking you, bouncing around or anything in there. How cool is that? So if you need to clip your beard, you're going on a business trip, you wanna look nice, that goes in there really nice. Again, that fits right in there. And now the thing that's really cool is all of the pockets have designed size. Of course, they have a designed size right for their beard oil. That's this pocket over here. I'll show you guys once it's in here. It completely holds the beard oil perfectly. Did I show the right one there? Yes, okay. So this beard oil is gonna go in there absolutely perfectly. I showed you guys the wrong side. That's okay. And you can see how it fits. all padded, all good to go. It's got some more of that like molly webbing on the inside, so if you want to attach some things, that's really nice. It also has the perfect size spots for your beard balms. If you're a balm guy, it's got you covered. It also has perfect size spots for your beard butters. Goes right in this little pocket right here. So you can see how everything starts to add up pretty nicely on there. Now, when they sell these, you can buy it by itself on the website, or you can buy it loaded and get discounts on everything. So the more you pack this with products on their website, the more you save. I don't know the details or the prices on that. And one thing that's really cool that shows the quality of this, they said that they've sent out over 5,000 different loaded bags and have had 0 products break. Now, this has a lifetime warranty. If there's anything wrong on this whatsoever, whether it's the stitching, whether it's a pocket, anything, they replace it, which is awesome. This, again, is an American veteran-owned company that really stands for their customer service. Let me see if there's anything else in here that I missed. Just quality. You got pockets on pockets on pockets for everything you need. You got this nice little utility pocket over here with Velcro. So if you need something with a little bit more space, they got you covered there. What else? Some more for oils. Got a spot over there. And again, just tons and tons of space. So when you're going on a trip, what do you want? You want protection first and foremost. That's going to do that. You want a little bit of organization. You want a little bit of flash. That's going to have that all in there as well. All right, I'm going to come back with a conclusion, wrap it all up, and hopefully get you guys involved on this video. When you go on a trip, what do you guys do? Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions. I know a lot of you, especially if you're going camping and go on those trips, you're really minimalist. You're maybe going to bring in unscented oil because you don't want any of the scents clashing with nature, and I totally get that. But those of you that travel a lot for business, those of you that go a lot of places with your families on vacations, what do you use? Go as specific as you want. Go as general as you want. This one, again, is by far the nicest one I've ever felt. If you've tried this bag specifically, please leave a comment down below and let everybody know what you think with that lifetime warranty. This just canvas and it just feels nice. I like to have nice things. It's kind of a slight flex, you know, show up and you're like, oh yeah, look at my beard case, and people might make fun of you for it, but I think it's pretty nice there. So I'm excited to hear what you guys do, and happy summer. I hope you get to spend some time with family and stay safe, of course. One more time, I don't even think I introduced myself earlier, so for the first time, DanCBearded, stay bearded and stay positive.